Hello, Joffrey. How are you today?
Hello, Shara. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine too. Summer vacation is coming soon.
Yes, I'm really excited about it.
Have you made any plans for the holidays?
Not yet. I was thinking about taking a trip somewhere.
That's a great idea. Traveling is always fun and educational.
I agree. Do you have any destination in mind?
I would love to visit the mountains.
The mountains sound wonderful. The weather is usually cool and pleasant there.
Yes, and the scenery is beautiful.
I prefer visiting a beach because I enjoy swimming.
Beaches are nice too. The sound of the waves is very relaxing.
If we could choose any place, where would you like to go?
I would like to visit the city of Shimla.
That's a popular tourist destination. I've seen many pictures of it.
Shara, what about you?
I would like to visit Goa because of its beautiful beaches.
Goa is famous for its beaches and seafood.
Yes, many tourists visit it every year.
How would you travel there?
I think I would travel by train. It's comfortable and affordable.
That's true. Train journeys can also be very enjoyable.
What would you pack for a holiday trip?
I would pack clothes, a camera, a phone charger, and some snacks.
Don't forget important documents and medicines.
Good point. They are essential.
What activities would you like to do during the trip?
I would like to go sightseeing, take photographs, and try local food.
That sounds exciting. I would enjoy water sports and exploring new places.
Traveling helps us learn about different cultures.
Yes, and it gives us unforgettable memories.
Do you prefer traveling with friends or family?
I enjoy traveling with family because we can spend quality time together.
I agree. Family trips are always special.
What's the most important thing when planning a trip?
I think making a budget is very important.
Yes, and booking tickets and hotels in advance can save money.
That's excellent advice.
I hope we both have an amazing holiday this year.
Me too. It will be a great opportunity to relax and explore new places.
Thank you for the conversation, Shara.
Thank you, Joffrey. I enjoyed talking about travel plans.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.